Movie Fan 6x738. I actually did a video yesterday for today, but it got misplaced. I found it and I said, well, since the trouble and I just now found it and it's late and everything, I'll just shoot you a new video. So the one where I try the Baja Lime, which was supposed to be today's video, will be up tomorrow. I got this in the mail yesterday. I don't know if I showed it in the video that I uploaded yesterday or gonna upload it Monday now. But if you see this twice, I apologize. But today what we're gonna try is the Raze Galaxy Burst. I'm gonna pop it up open over here. Give me just a second. Hold on just a second. Okay. Okay, this is Raze Galaxy Burst. It tastes like pink Starburst, which is really good. Yeah, Starburst. Pretty good. You know, the pink Starburst and the Starburst. That's what this tastes like. And it's 0 sugar. I will be doing another taste test probably Thursday, since the Baja Lime is Monday, and it's Voodoo. So that won't be cool to check out. But everybody have a good day and stay blessed. And this video will be uploaded soon as I end this video. And I apologize, that's late tonight.